Gusto mong magkabahay pero natatakot kang ma-decline ng bank at masayang ang iyong down payment? Dito kay Estancia Enclave, aantayin muna natin ang pre-approval galing kay bank bago ka mag-pay ng cash outlay. Kaya naman sigurado ang investment mo. At ang maganda nga sa ating property na to ay low cash outlay lang for as low as 45,000 pesos only. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Approximately 60 minutes drive going to Manila dahil located ito along Antero Soriano Highway, Barangay Halayhay, Tansa, Cavite. At accessible ito sa school, worship area, mall, hospital, market, at marami pang iba. Exclusive subdivision with complete amenities gaya ng clubhouse with pool, children's playground, basketball court, chapel, at maraming open spaces. Minimum lot size is 80 square meters. Twin house, kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 to 2 carport. May floor area na 55 square meters, kaya naman meron tayong 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. Yes, complete finish, kaya livable na po ito upon turnover. Rent to own house dahil after ng iyong cash outlay, aantayin natin ang loan takeout from the bank before mag-start ang iyong monthly amortization na 23,950.80. Limited slots na lang ang available para sa ating regular unit. Send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!